talked about this before, though.
Hi, everyone.
I love the Scottish people.
WSP.
Plus, I have ancient ancestors that used to rule Scotland. Plus, I have ancient ancestors that literally used to rule Scotland. Oh, they're okay. I'll be right back. Oh, we're checking the mail. We got to work today. We got to get up and do something. Oh, package. Teddy, I got a package. Mother of Dragons. She only told me I had 2 packages. And this is the hand grips. Hey, it might be the hand grips. Hey, thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving W's in the chat. W's. Hi. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, man. My bad. Thank you. Thank you. Whew. We got a package. It might be the hand grippers because it's heavy. Okay. Hi. Hey. Bill's. Hey, thank you. Miranda, you got a lot of smoking to do. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn. Thank you. We need to be praying for Jamie, y'all. One of our mods, one of our members here. Rancho Cucamonga. Who wants to open the package? Who wants to open the package? Is this the hand grippers? Grippers. Yep, this is the hand grippers. This is absolutely the hand grippers. We have been waiting a long time for these to come in. Oh my gosh. $20! Holy buckets! Thank you. I hope Jamie's okay too. Thank you, Steven. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn. I bet you no one can outbeat that $20. That's a lot of money. Thank you. Yes, here it is. You remember last month when I said we had more stuff coming in? It's finally here. It's finally here. Ladies and gentlemen, we finally have our hand grippers. Now let's look.